Hi everyone, I am Mr. P. Rajendra Bhanuteja, Aptitude and Reasoning Trainer. In this video, I am going to discuss about the syllabus, detailed syllabus and application procedure related to TCS NQT 2024. Without any delay, let's dive. Like every year, TCS held this national qualifier test as promised this year, that is in 2024. TCS is going to recruit 35,000 as promised. So out of this 35,000, already 20,000 are recruited via on campus drive, and remaining 15,000, they are going to select the students via this national qualifier test. If you consider this national qualifier test, depending upon marks, whatever the marks you got in this test, you may be selected for Ninja role, digital role, or prime role. Previously, it is called as innovator role. Now, if you got selected for Ninja, for UG student, package will be 3.36 LPA, and for PG student, it is 3.53 LPA. And the roles which are going to offer under Ninja are software tester, Java developer, web developer, Python developer, and software operations associate. Now, coming to the digital role, for UG, it is of 7 lakhs per annum, and for PG, it is 7.3 lakhs per annum. Under this digital, they provide full stack developer, backend developer, DevOps, Salesforce, and SAP roles. Now, coming to this prime or innovator role, this is nothing but scientist. This is the scientist role. For UG, the package will be 9 lakhs per annum, and PG it is 11.5 lakhs per annum. You have to innovate, or you have to find new things related to AI, artificial intelligence, and you may be selected as ML engineer, data engineer, cyber security, data science, and business intelligence. So you may be selected for these roles. And one more thing, the best thing with this recruitment is, for example, if you got the top mark, for example, if you are in the top 5%, you are in the top 5% people, then you may be selected for prime role. And the interview will be like 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes. Interview will be like that. This is the primary information which we got. So 1 to 1.5 hour, or sometimes 1 hour. So if you are rejected for the prime role, you may got selected for either digital or Ninja, depending upon their requirement. And if you got selected for digital role, if you fail in the interview, maybe you may be selected for Ninja role. Like that, they will take. And this year, the expected count, or expected selected students for Ninja is 14,000, and for digital 800, and from prime it is of 200. So these are the expected digits. Okay, and the last year, compared to the last year, this year somewhat the count is less. Now, see, for example, if you consider TCS NQT written test, it consists of two sections. One is foundation section, and second one is advanced section. See, in foundation section, you will find numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning ability, in which 20, 25, 20 questions will be asked. And the time is fixed. It is 25 minutes for all the three sections. It is 65 questions. Total of 65 questions, 75 minutes they will provide. This is the basic section. And if you move on to the advanced section, it consists of only 18 questions, but the time period is 115 minutes. That is, you'll get the advanced level questions related to quant and logical, which is of 15 in number, and the time period is 25 minutes. The level of difficulty is medium. And if you consider advanced coding section, it consists of 3 codings, so 90 minutes of time, and you may medium to hard. You may expect medium to hard. Here also you may expect medium to hard. And total TCS NQT consists of 83 questions for 190 minutes. For 190 minutes. Now, if you consider the detailed syllabus of the foundation section, from numerical ability, you may get percentages, time and work, mensuration, number system, statistics, linear equation, data interpretation, simple interest, compound interest, profit and loss, time, speed and distance, ratio, proportions, partnership, combination, combination, probability, mixtures. And coming to the reasoning section, the questions may be asked from coding, decoding, and this is paper cutting and folding. Next, attention to details, unboxing a cube, analogy, classification, blood relations, data arrangement, visual reasoning, Venn diagram, syllogisms, statements and assumptions, statements and conclusion. The level of difficulty, as we discussed, the level of difficulty is medium related to this foundation section. Now, if you consider verbal ability, these are the topics they are going to focus. That is the reading comprehension, statement, sentence correction, sentence completion, and error identification, synonyms, antonyms, and sentence, paragraph rearrangement, fill in the blanks. Like prepositions, articles, tenses, and conjunctions, they will consent. And if you consider the advanced section syllabus, advanced quantitative aptitude consists of these topics: averages, geometry, mensuration, puzzles, partnership, and all. Next, coming to the reasoning, advanced reasoning ability, visual reasoning, data arrangement, Venn diagram, syllogisms, statements and assumptions, conclusions. Next, setting arrangement, spatial reasoning, puzzles, paper cutting and folding, cubes based questions, and so on. Here, the level of difficulty might be from medium to hard, no doubt about it. And coming to the coding, you may expect the coding questions from these concepts. Operators, looping statements, OOP concepts, threading, functioning, recursion, algorithm, arrays, next control statement, strings, data structures, like that it will be followed by the rest of the topics. So the level of difficulty will be hard, no doubt about it. Okay, now if you consider eligibility criteria, this TCS is going to recruit the students from especially 2024 batch this year, and no branch restriction or no branch discrimination. Any branch can apply, all branches can apply, and with 60% in academics. Okay, he or she should possess 60% in academics. And the students from 2019, 20, 21, 22, 23 can also apply, but they will not get selected with this drive. And the test date will be 26th April 2024 onwards, and the last date is 10th April to apply. And if you consider about the test, if you consider the previous years, the test will be in remote as well as in center. But this year onwards, they eliminated remote, and we have to read examination in center only. That is most probably in TCS Ion zones. TCS NQT is non-adaptive this year, and depending upon the marks obtained, you are going to shortlisted for Ninja, Digital or Prime profile in TCS. That depends upon the marks what you got in the examination. Now, points to be remembered. These are the important points which you have to keep in mind. That is the level of difficulty, the overall level of difficulty of this examination is moderate. It is moderate. So it is moderate. Now, no negative marks. Keep in mind there is no negative mark in this examination. And each and every code consists of a separate timer. And you can select any one of the coding language. You can code the codes in C, C++, Java, Python, Perl. You can use any of the programming language. And majority of these questions is asked. See, in advanced quant and advanced reasoning section, where fill up the blanks question. We have to write the answer instead of selecting the option. No option will be provided. Most probably majority questions will be fill up the blanks, and you will not get any extra rough paper this year. So calculator and rough paper will be provided on the desktop screen. And one more thing, you are not allowed to move your eyes down while giving the examination. So on-screen calculator will be removed. Sorry, will be provided. No switching options will be entertained. Here, for example, the switching of questions will be there, but switching between the sections will not be there. For example, if you start fundamental section first, you have to finish this fundamental section and you have to go to advanced section. For example, if you start advanced section first, you have to finish it and you have to go for fundamental section. That is, there is no switching between the sections, but you can switch between the questions. And the exam will be conducted in TCS Ion centers, as we discussed. And now, in order to apply this TCS NQT, first you have to register in this website, that is www.nextstep.tcs.com. This is the official website of TCS in which you have to register. Now, I'll show you the procedure how we are going to register, how we can register for this TCS NQT in a detailed manner. I'll show you how we can register in a step-by-step manner. First and foremost thing which we have to keep in mind is just log in your mail. Okay, keep your mail in login mode. Now go to Google and type TCS next step. If you click on TCS next step, it will show you the website. Click on the first link. Now click on the register now. Next, it will show you two profiles. One is BPS and one is IT. BPS is for degree students and IT is for engineering students. So click on IT. Now it will ask you for the email. So give the email. For example, I am giving one email at the rate of Gmail and click on get OTP. So if you go to your email, you'll get one verification ID. And you have to keep in mind is this one time password cannot be copy pasted. So we have to type. So this is the OTP. I have given the OTP. Now have a look. Give the last four digits of your Aadhaar card number and give your name as per the 10th. It will be helpful to you. And your surname, date of birth. I am giving some random date of birth. So click on I agree, and click on proceed. See, for example, if you want to give Rajendra as the first name and Banateja as the middle name, you can give that according to your wish. Now, see, select the title. You have to select the title. So, Mr. Select the gender, male, and enter the phone number. No mistake should be done while entering the phone number because that phone number will be helpful to you in future. See, I am giving the institute name as, you can give your college name here and your college name will be listed here. Now, see here, select, since you belongs to BTech, select Bachelor of Technology. You can type or you can select from the scroll down list and select the year of passing as 2024 and nearest TCS office is Hyderabad. Now type this code. You may be provided with the different codes. Give the codes. Submit. Okay, 1 minute. Uh, if code is not clear, you can try with the other code as you know already. Okay, you can submit. See here it is asking Hyphatrix 63 and phone number is this. May I confirm? Yes, you have to click on confirm. And one more thing, this DT reference number helps you a lot. Keep this DT reference number aside. You have to remember this DT reference number. So note, keep that DT reference number aside. Save that DT reference number. It will be helpful to you. Now click on continue. Give the captcha 44252 and click on next. See, for mail ID, again you will get one OTP. So enter that OTP. One minute. I think I have entered the wrong captcha. DALVVY0. Okay. I have entered YO. Okay. Click on login. See, the portal will be appear like this. Now click on application form. It will take some time, but it will gives you the application form. Click on start filling the form. Now you have to give all your details here. For example, as per the 10th, it will be good. As per the 10th, give your details. Now I am giving some random ID. Okay. Select country, India, state, Telangana, city, Warangal. See, if you doesn't know the pin code, give the accurate pin code. You can search it in Google. Okay, I am giving some pin code here. For example, 506007. give some random. So click on, if your permanent address and temporary address is same, click on that. Okay, alternate email ID. If you have the alternate email ID, you can give. If not, you can skip. Click on save and continue. Now it will goes to the academic details. So click on academic details. So see, have a look. Highest qualification. I am doing institute name already given NIT Warangal, Bachelor of Technology 2024. Next one, graduate, Bachelor of Technology. Course duration. You have to give the start date and end date. Okay, for example, I have started somewhere around 2020. I am giving, okay, and my course will going to end at, for example, 24th May, full time, and select the specializations. Here you can select your domain. I am selecting my domain and click on CGPA. So let us think CGPA. I am giving 7.9 CGPA. Total CGPA 10. Equivalent percentage 72. See, this conversion factor depends upon the university to university. It will change from university to university. So keep in mind. Okay, 7.91. Okay, it is, for example, 72.00. Okay, 2 decimal points he is asking. That's why I have given this. Now, 12th grade. If you are from diploma, select the diploma grade. If you are from intermediate, you have to select 12th grade. Specialization, MPC. Now, university. For example, state board. Or you can take like board of intermediate, BIE. Okay, sorry, state board. And university or institute, you can select the college. I am selecting my college, Bharati Junior College. Okay, state board. Now course duration. Keep in mind, you have to give the course duration for your second year only, not for first year and second year. You have to keep in mind about this. So since I have joined in BTech, I am giving somewhere around 2019 June 19 to 2020, 2020, for example, March 26. Keep in mind, you have to give only your 12th standard. Forget about the intermediate first year. You have to give the duration of intermediate second year only. Full time. Again, CGPA. For example, I got 8.6 CGPA. Total CGPA it is 10. So it will convert, because BTech, the CGPA conversion is different. But intermediate and 10th class, CGPA conversion is like into 10. That's it. CGPA into 10 gives us the percentage. Now, I am giving my 10th class hall ticket number and university name. Gayatri English Medium School. I am giving. And again, state board. See, course duration. Give the course duration. If you have the course duration in your mind, you can give it directly. Sorry, somewhere around 2017. Okay. I am giving some random values. Please make sure you have to give your prompt values. Again, CGPA. It is, I got 10 points out of 10. So it will take the percentage automatically. Save and continue. Do you have done any other courses? No. Next, work experience. Do you have any related work experience? No. For example, if you did any internships related or any trainings relevant work, if you have the certificate, you can click on here. Yes, it will ask for the details. You can give that. No. Declaration. Have a look. Do you have the break-in studies? No. Do you have done any other courses? No. Pending backlogs? No. Next, have a look. These declarations are very important. Keep in mind, read once or twice to answer these questions. That is, do you have taken all subject marks into consideration for calculating the obtained CGPA? Yes. Marks or CGPA obtained above mentioned has been secured in the first attempt. Yes. That means I haven't written any backlog. That is the meaning. Now, you have considered only the marks or CGPA obtained during the normal duration of the course. Yes. That means, for example, if few people got detained from the course, there the academic year will be extended. So in that such cases, you have to select no. If no, you have to select yes. Now, you have completed each of the above mentioned academic course in the stipulated time. Yes. Okay. You have declared your break in studies. Yes. If you have the break in studies and if you have the backlogs, you have to mention or not. If you mention, click on yes. Okay. Next, you have not yes, from the past 6 years, sorry, 6 months, have you attended the TCS recruitment? Okay. Yes. Here, have you not attended? Keep in mind, not attended. So we have to select yes. Next, you have read. Yes, I have read and I have understood. Now, I agree. Click on I agree and click on save and continue. See here, if you watch, you'll get the tick mark over the each section. That means there is no pending with that section. Now, select nationality, India. Whatever the language, add the language. For example, I know English. Speak, read, write. It is not my mother tongue. I have to select Telugu. Telugu. Speak, read, write. It is my mother tongue. Next. If you know any of the languages, you can give. Okay. You can give. Whatever the languages you can give here. So now, language certifications. If you know here, it will be a great asset to you if you know French or Japanese, some foreign languages. Next, if you have that foreign language certificate, you can add here. If not, click on save and continue. Now, achievements. Whatever the achievements you have, you can. For example, if you attended for hackathon or if you attended for any of the workshops, you can type here. For time being, I am giving none. Okay. Or else, I have attended a workshop. Okay. I have attended a workshop at NIT Varangal. NIT Varangal. If you have that certificate, add that certificate. Or else it will ask you which certificate you have done. Okay. Which certificate you have completed. If not, okay. So if not, skip it. Next, save and continue. Now the thing is, see here again, he is asking the first name. As we already know, last name is a surname. Now select the blood group. I am selecting the blood group. Now upload the photo. You have to upload the photo and make sure photo should be of clear visualized photo. For example, see, background should be neat. Okay, don't upload selfies, please. Okay, you may get rejected or they may feel you are irresponsible. Now you have to upload your resume. Now I am uploading a normal resume. Okay, I am uploading. See, size should be less than 500 KB. Keep in mind, less than 500 KB. Okay, I am selecting one random resume. Keep on save and continue. Again, other details. Upon other details, I got the green tick. That means no error in that. Now, hey, see, are you involved any pending or similar cases? No. Now, any malpractices? No. Okay. Next one. See, have a look here. Application form preview. If you want to preview your application form, you can download it and you can watch. Okay, you can cross check whether you have given the right details or not. If not, you can change your details. Now have a look. You'll get this PDF form. Okay, see, observe the details. It will show you each and every detail, whatever you have entered. Okay, now have a look here. Here, yes, I agree. Place, give the place. Okay, and click on submit the application form. See, after completion of submission, it will ask you like this. Would you like to apply for TCS Drive? You have to click yes. Now, nearest center. Okay, preferred job location. For example, I preferred for Hyderabad. This is my first job location. Second one, Chennai. Third one, Bangalore. You have to select three different location dears. Now, see, click here to select the nearest test center. You can select either of the test center. See, Warangal is there. I am selecting Warangal. Now, click on apply. You'll get, you have applied for the recruitment drive. It will show you this message. If this message occurs, then your application will be successfully submitted to TCS. Keep in mind, this is the brief procedure. This is the step-by-step procedure how we can apply for the TCS. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt related to TCS, you can feel free to contact. Prepare and practice well. All the best for the TCS. Take care of yourself. All the best for your future. Thank you.